Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Sennheiser TV Clear Earbuds 2. These are TVC2 earbuds, and you need to do a soft reset or a force restart on them because they are, not pairing with your Bluetooth, or they're not connecting with your devices, or they seem to be not responding or anything like that. But you do not want to do a hard reset. You do not want to delete the pairing history off of them. You're just trying to, force them to power cycle to clear out any issues they might be having. So if you want to do this, it's really quite an easy thing to do. All you need to do is take the earbuds out of the charging case, and then you can either do this simultaneously on both of them or one by one. It doesn't really matter. All you need to do is press and hold the back button on them for 15 seconds, and that will force these to power off. And then once they're both powered off, then you can just put the earbuds back inside the case and close the case for a few seconds, and then open them up and take them back out, and they will power back on. And hopefully that clears out your issue. If it doesn't clear out your issue, you might want to move on to a factory default set or a reset, and I'll put a link in the description to how to do that.